And welcome back!
All you missed was the Blobster attacking our Pyro.
Do it!
Off to a slow start.
That's because one of those monsters lowered down our act.
They lowered down our act.
Yeah, how far
Act
we
is
can move.
very important, people.
Do it!
This is our last act.
There we go.
You tried to move, you can't do that.
Ah! I did it again.
Oops, he did it again. Yeah, attack them.
Oh yes, our enemy formation has increased. It has increased to 2. Well, except for that guy who's old. Ah, we got 3 on that.
Do it!
Yeah, we're almost dead.
Not anymore.
Do it!
These Blobsters. What happened to them now? She's dead.
Yes, sir.
Oops, they did it.
Which one's it? No? There we go. The one that has more units for the one that has less.
Just attack one. She can jump pretty high. Alright, split. Oh, I thought it was sucking his teammates' energy. That doesn't make
What's not she's not doing tons of damage to it. 2. Ooh, you're gonna get a lot from that one. Is there? Poseidon. I made this cool.
nice. Dang! I think the water was oh no. Nah, you can... Oh,
Oh, we're gonna get you.
or
Finish him.
Fatality. Use that. Dang! Now our leader's dead. Can't believe the net died. What a weakling. No one likes the net.
No, we'll go on. It's not a battle, it's just a cutscene, so. Because there's no crossed swords.
You know what? You know what? Shut up!
Throne room.
Now, who installed platforms?
Nereid's palace, throne room.
It's gonna be her.
You explain your plan to Alexania, Queen of the Nereids.
Oh, of course, the grand, important, and very dangerous, obviously. Hi, bring him to me.
Here he is, Queen Alexania.
Miss Alex, I'm here. Hey, I remember you guys.
Yeah, we remember you too!
Sorry about that. I love Juno and Minerva? And Nora, and Miss Alex, and all the Nereids. Please don't hurt them.
Don't worry, we won't.
Shaking head.
Phew, that's good. I knew you weren't bad. Hey, did you hear them? They're gonna be nice to us. You're a good boy, Pun. This is like underwater.
We're running out of stuff to do. Sad to say.
Aw, everything's shaking.
These earthquakes are so creepy. The other day, I almost fell off a cliff because of one.
Pen! What were you doing near a cliff? How many times have we told you?
Look at her face. Aw, come on!
Oh, you always were a little overprotective, you know. Anyway, Pen, would you like to meet your mother?
Shut up! Exclamation point.
My queen! Would you really allow him?
Calm down, Juno. I know you cared for him like he was your own. You love him as we do all do. I would never ask you to just let him go.
I'd like to see him.
Pen!
I really have a dad, huh? I wonder what he's like.
I guess we'll find out.
Oh, I have a favor to ask you. Might we borrow that set man for now?
Uh-oh. Me? Now just hold on. I mean, it's not like... Shut up. You know what? No. I'm being patronized for doing a voice.
I don't blame you men for being nervous around us. Then how about the girl? Don't worry, we just need someone with a little spring in their step. Do you mind?
My hands are hurting.
I wouldn't if I were you.
What? You don't think I can do it? Of course I'd be happy to help. Just don't try anything funny, got it?
You have nothing to worry about.
Shut up. Drinking some water.
So, according to the plan, they should arrive at the shoreline in about a week, yes? How about we wait and see if the kings will accept the invitation?
Knights, kings.
Jeez! That syndrome is getting worse, people.
No. It's. I'm rubbing the ends of my hands to
You're not really sure, you know?
Okay, now I get to know
So,
about this. What?
The time is 27.
Okay, let's continue on here.
I think we should end it.
I wonder how it feels to have a mom and dad.
I want to know.
Hey, why so glum? Why would you want someone bossing you around and getting in your face?
I don't know. I just wonder what it's like. Someone to tell me who I am and what it was like when I was born.
Getting deeper.
Besides, you wonder the same thing. I heard you.
And
Bye.